For my second video, I want to talk about the word percent, or the symbol percent. So when you see this, when you see 25 and then that symbol, the percent symbol, what comes to your mind? And in our case, it's just a simple matter of understanding the word. Like, you might have been taught to move the decimal left or move the decimal right, and that's just too hard to remember. I mean, you're going to forget that, and you're going to move the decimal the wrong way. But if you understand what the word percent means, you'll never miss it. Percent is two words. Per means to divide, that symbol. And cent is short for century. And century means 100. There's 100 years in a century. So when you see this symbol here, this is really telling you to take 25 divided by 100, or 25 over 100. Well, if you take anything, if you take 25 divided by 100, you end up with 0.25. So keep that in mind. Where people get in trouble is if, and this is where you see this mistake a lot, is, what do you do with 0.25%? I mean, is that still 25? Holy cow, what do you do with that? Well, again, per cent divide by 100. So don't even think about it. Just do what it's telling you to do. Divide by 100. And if you take 0.25 divided by 100, and maybe you have to have a calculator to do that, whatever you have to do. If we did it long division wise, well, here's your decimal has to go up. 100 goes into 2 0 times. 100 goes into 25 0 times. We need another 0. 100 goes into 250 2 times, or 250, yeah, 2 times, which is 200. And then you have 50, and you bring down another 0, and 100 goes into 500 5 times. And so 0.25% is really 0.0025. Similarly, larger than that. So like if you had 172%, I'm just making something up. Well, 172% is 172 divided by 100, again, which is 1.72. So that's similar when somebody uses this symbol. Okay, that's 10 cents. Okay, cent, again, short for century. They've taken out the per, but a cent is 1/100th of a dollar. So this is saying take 10 times 1/100th. And so you get $0.10. And that's where we run into problems. So I've seen this before. Simple mistake to make, but that's saying 0.10 of a cent, of 1/100th of a dollar. And so really that is 0.001 dollars. So less than a penny. It's 100th. It'd be 1,000th of a dollar. So 1/10 of a cent. So you want to be careful with that, with these symbols, and that's just kind of how cent and percent are kind of misrepresented. You want to be really careful with those. All right, but if you understand the word percent and century, it should be no problem for you. So see you next time. I hope that helped you.